Oh, hey, we're gonna work in the outside part of our leg, which can be a little intense when it's on the ground, but on the wall, feels amazing. So first, we're gonna start right below, sorry. You're gonna find that little bone here. This is where your leg is coming into your pelvis. That bone, we're gonna go right below that, okay? Clean off the feet, make sure it's not gonna mark up the wall. And then now once I press into it, now I'm gonna move my leg forward and backwards. This pressure is not that intense because I'm just exploring to see what area I need to spend more time on. Now, I'm adding more pressure because my foot is further away from the wall and I'm pressing back into the wall. Now, once I get to here, I feel some tenderness in the outer part of my leg. I'm just gonna hang out in here and breathe. Once I feel that area start to melt, now I'm gonna extend my leg and I'm gonna search for this movement now. Maybe there's nothing there, no problem. Now I move to a little bit lower, same thing. Now make sure you're putting pressure up against the wall here so then the psoas spine doesn't drop. Now same thing, going forward and backwards, find a tender spot, breathe, and then extend that leg. Pull in, extend out, pull in, extend out. Work all the way down just above the knee area right in here. Now there's going to be less muscle down in this area and it's going to be more tender. So just go nice and slow. Remember, it's nice to have some shorts on or some sweats to be able to slide back and forth. And once you find that spot, pull that ankle up, extend out. Okay? Now remember, after you're doing the massage, you want to do some extension stuff, shake the leg out, do a little side stretch, do some movements, do a squat, and see how the knee's feeling and how even the upper hip is feeling. Because this tight muscle in this outside here, this is also where the IT band's at. If this gets tight, then it can cause some knee or some pelvis stuff. Remember, test, massage the area, and we want to explore movements to see if we feel better or if we need to do anything else, okay?